Hello, folks, students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. So, how to determine default call center in the sales order? Okay. So, what is the purpose to defaulting a cost center? So, whatever the costs incurred for certain process or a certain list of materials based on certain distribution channel, it's very difficult for them to remember and choose the cost center for order processor, and it will be like headhunting task for finance team at the end of the day. So I will show you how to default the cost center in our SAP session. First, let me open a sales order, the place where we can able to default this cost center. I'll show you. It is in header. If you want, you can enter material for this test. It doesn't matter. Let's click on the header. If you see this account assignment, this is the place where now you are not able to see the cost center. Why? Because the configuration, the relevant configuration is not available. Let's try to check that configuration quickly. And it's always based on the order reason. Okay. So you can able to see different order reasons. Probably I'll choose order reason as 007 and probably one more like I'll just take 105. Okay, let's try to see the configuration. Oh, before that, you must know the cost centers. So let me, so this KS01 is for create cost center, KS02 is for, uh, you know, change mode of the cost center. This is the cost center. So let me try to create one more cost center for your understanding. Okay, so let's copy this. This is the walk from finance or accounting end. You don't worry about this one. So I'm just taking the reference as the existing created cost center. I'll try to create one more cost center. Okay, so let's try to check here what is more important, the hierarchy area. Certain times it is 100% needed the profit center. Okay, in this configuration I don't require to show you, that's why I need not create it. See, this is the place where actually at finance side what kind of costs they would like to control. If they would like to control certain costs, they will tick this, like actual revenue, planned revenue, secondary costs and primary costs and all those stuff. Okay, apart from that, all these fields related to finance, don't worry about this, just save this. Okay. So we have created one more cost center. Now let's go to the actual configuration to determine cost centers in the sales order based on the our sales order reason. Let's go to the sales and distribution. Here comes basic functions. Okay. In this, just go to, I think you are of this configuration, account assignment and costing. This is for our account determination we are using. You can see this revenue account determination. Okay. Below that, if you come here, assign cost center. Look at this sales organization, distribution, dividend channel, and order region and cost center combination they are doing, and you have a validity period as well as. Okay, so let me try to create few things like this one, this one. This is the division here based on the different sales areas. Also, you can able to take different cost centers or for the same sale area, different order regions. Also, you can able to do that. So here let me take this one. Okay, what is this? Let's check 007 is a fast delivery. Okay, so cost center first, I'm taking my first cost center. So here one thing, you have to give the validity. I'm just giving today. So this is not cost center. Ours is that has 01. Okay, that is transaction code. Now if you look at this, this is how it came. You can able to save this specifically, and let's try to do one more based on another order reason. Probably I'll take this one. Okay, this one is for that has 02. Okay, so the validity is like this. Okay, so if you really want, you can try one more. So H1 HH, so maybe I will take 105. Okay, and this is for ZH03. Don't forget to give the validity. Okay, let's try to check from today onwards. These three cost centers are valid. There is nothing to explain. If you come back, you can able to search here. All these are your three cost centers, and better give this validity. Okay, otherwise it will not work for you. So let's save this. Okay, so this is fine. So let's try to check, and let's try to give the cost center as well as. Okay, make sure that let's come back. Okay, let's go and check one more time if these cost centers available or not. Then let's directly go for a test actually. Okay, so just go to the sales order, press enter. We haven't chosen any order reason. Let's go and check now. So if I don't choose, it won't be default, right? So now cost center is not available. Let me check now by choosing 007. Okay, let's press enter. So now you can see ZH01 cost center automatically came. Let's try to change this to, I think, which one? 105 or 10? Okay, let it be. Something is coming, it is there. Otherwise, we can able to see 105. ZH03 came. Let's choose 104. I think 103 or 104 we have taken. See, ZH02. So now let's remove this. Same place. Go to the header and check. We don't have any cost center. This is how we have to default the cost center. If someone come back to you in real time, hey boss, these are the cost center we have created. If you really wanted to default it, you can able to default it. So now look at this. Currently, I'm holding 6,000 plus students and 1,000 reviews. If you look at this, all these are the different courses. If you really wanted to be expert for your job interviews and as well as real-time knowledge, these are the two specific courses getting mastered right functional specification. And this is basically for idoc training. So if you are from SAP SD, this is the right place. This is my course with 157 reviews, 1,000 plus students. And if you are really fascinated about pricing, I have a couple of courses, and this course currently successful with 2,000 plus students with 873 reviews, and probably you can give it a try. And if you want to learn advanced, you can give it a try. All these are the different courses. I'm just providing these links, this video description box, and if you really want, you can give it a try. Thanks for joining session. Thanks for your patience. Wishing you all the best. Don't leave anything in the middle. Have a great day. Keep trying. Jai Bharat.